Hi, welcome to How to Repair. LG and Samsung washing machines. Are you having trouble fitting these door bands onto the actual seal? Every time you line it up, you put the seal on and you actually get the band in place. And as you stretch it round, it keeps coming off. It's so frustrating. Engineers like myself have special tools for doing this. These are called door band pliers. They're quite easy to use. You just insert it into the two sides on the spring, make sure it lines up in the grooves, then open it wide up, put the seal in place, lining the spring up to the correct location, then carefully just going round with your finger, putting the seal and the band perfectly in place in one go. But let me show you a hack. Okay, let me show you what you need. I prefer an open-end spanner. Approximately 11 to 13 millimeter will suffice. 2 cable ties and your door band. Get your spanner, place it on the top of the spring. Going around the back, bring it through and attach the cable tie. Do the same on the other side. Then start stretching the spring. You will then be able to put the band in the correct location on the actual door seal. Start on one side, make sure it fits nicely into the groove without catching the seal. Once it's in location and you're happy with everything, just use your snips and cut off the cable tie. It's that easy. I will put a link in the description below to the pliers that I used in this video, and also a link to any domestic appliance parts that you require. We've also got hundreds of videos at the website to assist you in all domestic appliance repairs. Thank you very much indeed for watching this video, and if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paula Beer page. Thanks for watching.